The mystery of crushes. Understanding, to have a crush on. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the intricacies of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the layers of a very special phrase that's all about feelings. To have a crush on. Whether you're navigating the highs and lows of personal relationships or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase is key. So, let's get started and explore what it means to have a crush on someone. To have a crush on someone means to have strong feelings of attraction towards that person, usually in a romantic or affectionate way. But it's more about a temporary and intense infatuation rather than deep love. This is a feeling that can strike anyone, at any age, though it's often associated with the fluttery feelings of young love or the initial stages of liking someone. The term crush originally meant a physical squeeze or press, but over time, it evolved in the romantic context to describe the emotional squeeze or overwhelming feeling one experiences when they are attracted to someone. This usage began in the late 19th century and has since become a common way to describe youthful feelings of love. Now, let's see how to properly use "to have a crush on" in sentences. This will help you not only understand the phrase better but also incorporate it into your everyday English. I have a crush on my classmate. I think about them all the time. She's had a crush on her coworker for months, but she's too shy to say anything. Do you think he knows that you have a crush on him? Notice how the phrase is used to express personal feelings towards someone else, often accompanied by a sense of vulnerability or hesitancy to reveal those feelings. Crushes are a universal experience and feature prominently in popular culture, including movies, songs, and literature. They often depict the sweetness and angst of having a crush, serving as a reflection of our own experiences or fantasies. Understanding how crushes are portrayed can enrich your comprehension of English media and conversational nuances. And that's a wrap on today's topic. To have a crush on. We hope this video has shed some light on this delightful aspect of human emotion and helped you add another phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Remember, having a crush is a normal part of life and a wonderful way to explore feelings and relationships. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.